Got trouble.
Wow, you guys are weak. Oh, ho, ho, I pinned his head to the wall. Oh. Okay, let's just pause a moment to see what I just did to this poor guy. I literally stuck him to the wall. My work. God. That is, okay, this is one of my favorite guns now. One of my favorites.